Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Teaching subject Animal Diversity and Comparative Anatomy of the Vertebrates. And now we will discuss about the evolution of the vertebrate kidneys. First we discuss about the basic structure. In vertebrates, there is a pair of compact kidneys lying dorsal to the coelom in the trunk region, one on either side of the vertebral column. Kidney is made of large number of uriniferous tubules or the nephrons. Uriniferous tubule arise in an embryo from a special part of the mesoderm called mesomere. Primitively, the uriniferous tubule develop from nephrotome in a sequence commencing from the anterior end. They are segmental in arrangement with one pair of uriniferous tubule for each trunk segment. फिर uriniferous tubules के कौन कौन से पार्ट्स होते हैं? Ciliated peritoneal funnel near the proximal end of the tubule which open into the nephrostome या coelomostome. Convoluted ciliated tubule opening in the longitudinal collecting duct and a Malpighian body, a renal capsule. Malpighian body has a double-walled Bowman capsule enclosing a network of inter-arterial blood capillaries called glomerulus. फिर filtration of the blood जहाँ पर होता है, Bowman capsule और glomerulus दोनों मिलकर के Malpighian body या renal capsule बनाते हैं. और एक efferent arteriole ब्लड को ग्लोमेरुलस में लेकर आता है और इफेरेंट ब्लड को वहाँ से लेके जाता है. ठीक है, तो इफेरेंट आर्टीरियोल ब्रेक इनटू द कैपिलरीज अलोंग द एंटायर कोर्स ऑफ uriniferous tubule. Finally blood goes to a renal vein. Encapsulated glomerulus is internal glomerulus which is common. The glomerulus without a capsule suspended freely in the coelomic cavity is called external glomerulus, which is found in the embryo and the larva. Malpighian body with glomeruli are lacking in some fishes, embryos and larvae, and their kidneys are called aglomerular. अब आता है आर्कीनेफ्रोस kidneys. The ancestral vertebrates had a pair of kidney running through the entire length of the coelom. Each had significantly arranged tubule, one pair per body segment. Each tubule opened separately into the coelom by peritoneal funnel and the nephrostome. Near each funnel was an external glomerulus suspended in the coelom. All the tubules of each kidney opened into a common longitudinal duct, Wolffian duct or archinephric duct, which joined the cloaca. This kidney is called an archinephros or holonephros, and its duct is an archinephric duct. Among the living vertebrate, an archinephros is found only in the larva myxine and some apodine amphibians. In present-day vertebrate, uriniferous tubule develop antero-posteriorly in 2 or 3 stages in succession. These stages are pronephros, mesonephros, metanephros. These stages have evolved from original archinephros. तो फर्स्ट 3 तरह की किडनीज होगी, प्रोनेफ्रोज, मीजोनेफ्रोज और मेटानेफ्रोज. ये सभी फंडामेंटली अलाइक हैं, लेकिन प्रिंसिपली रिलेशन टू द ब्लड सिस्टम, डिग्री ऑफ कम्प्लेक्सिटी और एफिशिएंसी में ये डिफरेंट है. पहली आ गई प्रोनेफ्रोज. प्रोनेफ्रोज इज द मोस्ट प्रिमिटिव एंड व्हाइल प्रेजेंट इन द एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ऑल द वर्टिब्रेट्स, फंक्शनल इन द अडल्ट ऑफ नन. प्रिमिटिव है लेकिन एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज में सब में प्रेजेंट होती है, लेकिन अडल्ट में नहीं होती. सम लार्वल साइक्लोस्टोम हाउएवर है किडनी, पार्ट ऑफ विच अपीयर टू बी होमोलोगस टू एम्ब्रियोनिक प्रोनेफ्रोज ऑफ हायर वर्टिब्रेट्स. प्रोनेफ्रोज डेवलप इन द एंटीरियर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द नेफ्रोटोम. 3 से 15 यूरिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स होते हैं प्रत्येक के अंदर और 1 पेयर इन ईच सेगमेंट. For each tubule, near each tubule a glomerulus projecting into the coelom which is not connected with the tubule in the external glomerulus. Each tubule open into coelom by a funnel or nephrotom. Uriniferous tubule of each pronephros open into the common pronephric duct which grow back to enter the embryonic cloaca. In sum, there is a large pronephric chamber which surround the glomerulus and tubules. All glomeruli project into the pronephric chamber where they may unite to form a single compound glomerulus called glomus. All the tubules of a pronephros open into the common pronephric duct opening posteriorly into the embryonic cloaca. Pair of pronephros appear in all vertebrate embryo, but they become functional kidney only in some cyclostome and embryo of all anemniotes. In those vertebrates in which pronephros become the adult kidney, they are called head kidney due to its anterior position behind the head. इसके बाद आगे भाई mesonephros kidneys. Mesonephros develop from the middle part of the nephratomes behind the pronephros, which degenerates. At first, it consists of paired segmental uriniferous or mesonephric tubules, each with a peritoneal funnel opening into the coelom and internal glomerulus enclosed in the Bowman capsule. Both are collectively called renal corpuscles. These mesonephric uriniferous tubules join the existing pronephric duct, archinephric duct on each side, which with the disappearance of pronephros is called a mesonephric duct या Wolffian duct. Shark के अंदर क्या है? It function as a gonadial duct and kidney have developed new accessory urinary duct. The mesonephric tubule have no peritoneal funnel. Mesonephri form the adult functional kidney in some cyclostome, which is amphibians and embryo of amniotes in which they degenerate in the adult. Mesonephros of anemniote is not exactly equivalent to that of amniote's embryo. In an amniote, the mesonephros extend throughout the length of the coelom behind the pronephros and is formed from the entire nephrotome behind the pronephros and is functional both in embryo as well as in adult. While in the adult anurans, urodale and amniote's embryo, the mesonephros is formed only from the middle part of the nephrotome and it does not extend throughout the length of the coelom. Shark and Sicilian's kidney is opisthonephros, that is, mesonephric tubule extend posteriorly throughout the length of the coelom. In amphibians, like those of fishes, are the opisthonephric type. In tailed amphibian, the kidney are rather elongate structure as in elasmobranchs, but in anuran there is a kidney tendency for these structure to be short and the compact. The kidney of the marine fish play a major part in maintaining the proper balance within the body. Salt water tend to dehydrate the body, which is only slightly saline, and it also increases the salt concentration in the body. Fresh water has the opposite effect. Some marine bony fishes have salt excreting gland on the gills, which help to eliminate excessive salt. Most marine fishes, however, other than elasmobranchs, have renal corpuscles very small so as to reduce the water loss. इसके बाद है मेटानेफ्रोस किडनीज. मेटानेफ्रोस is the functional kidney developed only in the amniotes. It is formed from the posterior most part of the nephrotome behind the embryonic mesonephros, which is displaced somewhat anterior and lateral during embryonic life. However, both pronephros and mesonephros make their appearance. Metanephric has a double origin. and fundamentally resemble with the mesonephros but arise more posteriorly in the body, more compact, few greater number of the urinary unit. मेटानेफ्रेज का डबल ओरिजिन है. ट्यूबुलर आउटग्रोथ अराइज फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ मेसोनेफ्रिक डक्ट नियर द क्लोएका and it grow anteriorly and dorsally and eventually the metanephric tubule open into it. Its distal and dilate to form the pelvis which divide several times to form collecting tubule, while its proximal part become the ureter or metanephric duct. The metanephric tubule become long and much coiled and have glomeruli enclosed in the Bowman capsule, but they lack peritoneal funnel so that all connections with the xylem is lost. It is absent in the reptiles and rudimentary in the birds. Kidney is differentiated into outer cortex having renal corpuscle, inner medulla possess the collecting tubule and the loop of Henle. In reptiles, the renal portal system has begun to lose its importance, and some of the blood from the caudal region goes directly through the kidney instead of filtering slowly through the capillary network. In birds के अंदर जो renal portal do not break into the capillaries and therefore not comparable to renal portal of lower vertebrates. Mammals also lack renal portal system. In aquatic vertebrate, the kidney are concerned chiefly with the elimination of excess water absorbed in the body, and they excrete ammonia well diluted in water. Ammonia is not dilute, it is highly toxic. Whereas in terrestrial vertebrate, one of the chief function of the kidney is to conserve water for maintaining water balance of the body, and they excrete urea or uric acid. Function of the kidney is not under the nervous system but is under the control of several hormones. अब आगे urinary bladder. In most vertebrate there is a bag like urinary bladder serving as a reservoir for the urine. In some species bladder is formed by enlargement of terminal part of mesonephric duct and used for temporary storage of the urine. In amphibian, urinary bladder is derived as a diverticulum from the ventral wall of the cloaca and not from the proctodeum. It is lined with endoderm and is called a cloacal bladder. Urine thus first passes from the duct of the kidney into the cloacal chamber. From here, it is then forced into the bladder for the storage. Many reptiles also possess urinary bladder like that of amphibians. It is an outgrowth from the ventral wall of cloaca. It is lacking in crocodilians, snake and some lizards. Only bird known to possess a bladder is the ostrich. In embryo of the amniotes, large bag-like allantois arise from the hindgut. It serves as an excretory and respiratory organ in hatching or at birth. The allantois is lost, but its basal part persists, and along with a portion of cloacal wall, it becomes adult urinary bladder, which is endodermal and is called allantoic bladder. Generally, the kidney duct ureter do not open into the urinary bladder, but open dorsally into the cloaca, except in mammals. In mammals, except monotreme, ureter open directly into the bladder that open outside through a short narrow tube, the urethra. Cloaca is not found in the mammal except monotreme. This is the all about the evolution of kidney in the vertebrates. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Thank you very much.